Disclaimer. This gambling session was recorded in Malta. Please find out whether or not gambling is permitted where you are. Gambling is only allowed from the age of 18 and can be addictive. In the long run, you will lose money with gambling unless you are the casino boss.
Hello and welcome to a new video. Hola chicas, hola chicos! I'm going to play a round of Lightning Roulette again. It's a mentally ill game where you can win a lot of money with some luck. You need luck. Gambling, it's all about luck. It's all about the luck, luck, luck. It's all about the luck, luck, luck. It's all about the luck.
Just remember that. So no corners, nothing like that.
The lady is from Latvia. I suspected it.
I'm from Latvia.
Blonde and good looking. Almost always comes from Latvia. Trust me, trust me. I'm a 30 years old gentleman, trust me. Your legs looks nasty. Tasty. What the fuck?
That is a high odd number. Congratulations, 781 winners. Good job, betting time. Your English so good. Thank you, Wrath. Where are you from? Oh,
what the
Texas,
fuck?
India. Nice. Where are you from? Which region in India?
The first win for
Yeah,
today.
that's huge.
I'm
There's
speechless.
so many cities. Big cities as well, bigger than my whole country.
Your leg looks tasty. What?
We got 3 and 35.
It's not a
100 something.
cheeseburger. Crazy.
And the winning number
Near
is
Delhi.
22 black.
No,
That
I
is
have a
the
lot of
first
viewers
winning
from
number.
India.
830
Hello,
winners. Good job,
Indian
betting
people.
time.
Hello,
Tunisia.
people from all over the
Oh,
world.
nice.
Hey ho!
Tell me something about your country. I don't know much about Tunisia. Near Delhi. Oh, Delhi. Delhi? Is that how you say it? Delhi? Nice.
Is gambling prevalent in India? I've only been to India once
That's
and
correct.
I didn't see any casinos.
So, 2 black with 50x multiplier.
But there are usually casinos in every country. If there are no official legal casinos in a country, there are
And the winning number
illegal
is
ones.
22 red. That is a high
Gambling
number.
has always been a part of
Congratulations,
society.
869 winners. Good job. How may I help you, GJA?
The important thing is to gamble responsibly. That's very, very important. Don't gamble too much. Very, very important.
And let's get some millions? Okay, well, let's get millions. I wanted to say let's get some multipliers. Bets are close. Let's get those big multipliers, guys. So 11 and 18, 200x and 18.
Nice!
We got
Nice!
30 red. That is a high even.
Nice!
Congratulations.
Another win!
871.
30 is one of my favorite numbers. But unfortunately, I haven't hit a lightning number yet. Maybe soon. We will see. Lady with tasty legs.
So let's try to do that here.
What the fuck? Tasty legs.
That's
I've
the
never
best.
heard that. What is a tasty leg?
So 22 and
I know
23,
tasty burgers,
300x and 22.
tasty french fries, tasty vegetables, but I've never heard about a tasty leg. Number 9. Number 9, another win.
9 red is the winning number.
Spin and win.
Number from Orpline
Every
section,
spin a win.
744
That's
winners.
crazy.
Good
That's
job.
fucking
Top
crazy.
numbers we have 8, 19, 26, 35, and 11. Gold numbers 7, 0, 36, 15, and 10.
Do you like my videos? Then please follow me on Twitter and subscribe to my Discord channel. The links to Discord and Twitter are in the video description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks. On Twitter I often post pictures, there are giveaways, you can see where I play and much more. Twitter and Discord. Number 3, another win.
3 red, that's
Every
no
spin a
100
win.
winners.
That's
Good job,
crazy.
Special compliments. Maltese Gambler.
Maltese Gambler.
9,
That's me.
High Class, Nasli, and
But my name is not Maltese Gambler. My name is
Address
Maltese
acceptance
Gambler.
accept.
That's my
Link
name.
if you have any
Not
stories,
Maltese
stuff like
Gambler,
that.
not Maltese
It's
Gumbler,
on the top
not
right corner of
Maltese...
your screen.
What the
Remember
fuck?
that.
Maltese Gambler. Easy. Easy name.
Lightning Strikes 10 and 33.
33.
310.
Come on, come on, come on.
21 red, that is a high odd number. Well done to 774 winners. Good job. Welcome newcomers. Thank you for joining. This is Lightning Roulette. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
This is Lightning
How's your
Roulette.
Monday?
Surprise.
It's Monday.
Big
I was
surprise.
about to say morning. No. Here in Latvia, it's already afternoon. I don't know. Maybe it's morning for you guys. Depends on where you're from. No more bets.
Surprise. It's Lightning Roulette. With tasty
So,
legs.
2, 9, and 10. 510.
Tasty legs roulette. There's always more rubbish in the live chat than in any lousy newspaper. Unfortunately, Evolution Gaming can't manage to block all spammers who do only interns work in the technology department there. I don't know. I don't know.
Did you go to work today? Are you already home from work? Beds are closed. Lightning strikes 8, 10, 20, 21, 24, 200 at highest.
Number 8. Please. Number 20. Number 27. Another win. But unfortunately, no lightning number. Are you paid well? That's another nice question.
Depends on what is well for you, you know. For a millionaire, well, it's like $1 million a month or something. I don't know. Number bets.
Nice questions. Very nice questions. Are you paid well?
So, 4, 5,
What
and
should she
10,
say?
100x highest. 27.
Nice.
That is a high
The
on
27
number.
again.
Congratulations. 854 winners. A lot of red numbers, guys. In the last 10 rounds, there have been only one black winning number. The rest are red.
Red is the color of
So, yes,
love.
I do work from
I
home.
believe
do
in love.
Shift. Ooh, work from home. What do you do?
Welcome
exactly?
home. Welcome to the
Snapseed.
candy shop.
You can't. You don't have to tell me, but. I'm
Who is in the
curious.
black? Black is the devil's color. And I would never be in black.
So, 20,
I always
32,
bet on red.
100x on both.
Red for the win.
Alright, 30.
30.
Red. That is a high even number. Well done to 873 winners. Good job. I'm a software developer. Ooh.
Ooh.
That's fancy.
Fancy.
So you must be very smart.
Maybe.
Lauren says, I have a problem. Yes, what's your
Maybe
problem,
not.
Lauren?
The host says she likes everything.
Number bets.
I'm a chef. Ooh, very nice. I'm a taxi driver. Ooh, very nice.
8 and 28.
I'm a
200
software
highest.
developer. Oh, very nice. I'm a butcher. Oh, very nice.
And the winning number is 30 red.
30
That's a
again.
high
Holy
even
moly.
number. Congratulations.
27, 27,
30,
30, 30. That's crazy.
Red for the last 10 rounds in a row.
Back to
Please,
back.
88, Murat, DK,
There are many
B,
back-to-back
Q,
numbers
oh.
today.
Oh, gambling problem. Okay, so you can seek help. There are a lot of different outlets to seek help from. No more bets. 0, 20, 34.
0.
Ooh, 500 X on 0.
34.
Go.
34, please, please. 400x multiplier. Fuck. Oh no.
And the winning number is 24.
Oh, no.
Black. That is a high even number. 850.
24. Unfortunately not 34. 34.
So guys,
Ooh la la.
welcome to
400x.
Lightning Roulette.
That's crazy. That's
Let's
fucking
play the
crazy.
game. Let's get some magic checks. Let's get that 500x. Okay. No more bets. Lightning number 17, 19, 28, 100x and all.
One last round for today. You shouldn't push your luck, and it's important not to play for too long. That's very important.
And the winning number is
Have a great day,
25. Let's
and
go
see you
to
soon.
nine,
I enjoyed the round.
winners. Good job.
Subscribe to my channel, like the video. Thank you very much. Adios amigos. Finito bendito. Bye bye. Ciao.